My name is Nicole Salamans, and I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Computing.
Hi, my name is Helen. I'm a third-year computing student in a 4-year degree.
So you're right now in your third year, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So what has been your highlights so far? What are your favorite things about the Department of Computing?
I'd say I really enjoy how much hands-on experience we get so far in our degree. For example, in second year, I got to work on 2 group projects, one in OS and one with compilers. And we got to use the lab machines, which are great. They have Linux installed and you can also access it from anywhere. So I can work on it at home as well, which is really great.
What has been your favorite project so far that you've done at Imperial?
There was a project called Designing for Real People, where essentially we had to find a problem and create a software solution for it. And we chose our group of stakeholders to be knitters and crocheters. After talking to the stakeholders quite a lot, we realized that losing track of stitches was quite a common problem. So we created a software, an app where you could track the amount of stitches you were on in a project. It was a lot of fun and it was nice to get a lot of real world experience as well. So you do teaching and research at Imperial. Could you explain more about what you do here?
My main area of research is something called human-robot interaction. So I'm really interested in seeing how can we build these robotic systems to understand people, and then when we understand people, how can we design the robots to best help them? And similarly, I also teach a class in human-robot interaction, which is a lot of fun. So I get to teach what I'm passionate about and what I do research in. Then I also get to teach a second module called Innovations in Robotics.
Why do you think Imperial is such a great place for computing?
Our courses are taught by world-leading experts in the field, and many of the faculty, they bring their expertise into their courses. For example, we have a robotics module where Lego Mindstorms are used, and that brings hands-on practical robotics experience into the classroom.
The resources at Imperial are really great, and we get a lot of research opportunities with Europe's during the summer.
That sounds great. And I also heard you do placements.
In third year, we get to do a 6-month placement in industry, and this actually was a big reason why I chose a 4-year course over a 3-year course, because I think having that industry experience is so important, and it's great that Imperial provides that.